Hey there, folks. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of wood processing. Mike Rowe here, and let me tell you, I've seen my fair share of dirty jobs, from the grimiest sewers to the highest rooftops. I've been there and done that, but there's something about working with wood that's always resonated with me. Maybe it's the raw, natural element of it, or the satisfaction of turning a log into something useful. There's a certain magic in taking a piece of nature and transforming it into a work of art or a functional piece of furniture. Whatever it is, one thing's for sure, wood processing has come a long way. From the early days of using simple hand tools to the sophisticated machinery we have today, the evolution has been nothing short of remarkable. Gone are the days of back-breaking labor and hours spent chopping firewood. Back then, it was all about muscle power and sheer determination. Lumberjacks would spend countless hours in the forest, swinging their axes and sawing through massive trees. Today's wood processing machines are all about efficiency, precision, and making life a whole lot easier. With the advent of technology, we've seen a revolution in the way wood is processed. These machines are designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease, ensuring that every cut is perfect and every piece of wood is utilized to its fullest potential. We're talking about powerful machines that can cut, split, debark, and process wood with incredible speed and accuracy. Imagine a machine that can take a rough log and turn it into perfectly cut planks in a matter of minutes. Or a log splitter that can handle the toughest wood without breaking a sweat. From portable firewood processors to massive industrial sawmills, these machines are revolutionizing the way we work with wood. Whether you're a small-scale woodworker or running a large operation, there's a machine out there designed to meet your needs. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the amazing world of wood processing machinery. We're going to take you on a journey through the latest innovations and technologies that are shaping the future of woodworking. We're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of some of the most impressive machines out there. From the smallest handheld tools to the largest industrial machines, we'll show you how they work and what makes them so special. Trust me, you're going to love this. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just someone who appreciates the beauty of wood, there's something here for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on this incredible journey into the world of wood processing. First up, we've got the Posh Smart Cut 700, a marvel of modern engineering. This bad boy is a firewood processor's dream come true, designed to revolutionize the way you handle wood. It's designed to make short work of even the toughest logs, turning them into perfectly sized firewood with ease. Imagine taking a massive log and watching it transform into neat, manageable pieces in a matter of seconds. The Smart Cut 700 is all about efficiency. It's not just fast, it's incredibly efficient, saving you time and effort. It can handle logs up to 700 millimeters in diameter, and with its powerful hydraulic system, it can cut and split wood at lightning speed. This means you can process larger logs that would otherwise be a hassle. We're talking up to 15 pieces of firewood per cycle. That's right, in just one cycle, you can have enough firewood to keep your home warm for days. But it's not just about speed. The Smart Cut 700 is also incredibly precise. Precision is key when it comes to firewood, and this machine delivers. You can adjust the length of your firewood with the touch of a button, ensuring that every piece is cut to the perfect size. Whether you need shorter pieces for a small stove or longer ones for a larger fireplace, this machine has you covered. And with its automatic log loading system, you can spend less time handling heavy logs and more time enjoying the fruits of your labor. The automatic system takes the strain off your back, making the entire process smoother and more enjoyable. The control panel is user-friendly, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to operate this machine, it's designed for ease of use. Whether you're working in a busy workshop or out in the serene forest, the Smart Cut 700 adapts to your environment. Its robust design ensures it can handle the elements and keep performing at its best. Portability is another key feature. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Smart Cut 700 is surprisingly easy to transport. You can move it to different locations without hassle, making it perfect for both stationary and mobile operations. Maintenance is a breeze too. The machine is designed with easy access points for cleaning and servicing, ensuring it stays in top condition with minimal effort. Users have reported high levels of satisfaction, praising its efficiency, precision, and ease of use. It's not just a machine, it's a game changer for anyone serious about firewood processing. The Smart Cut 700 is built to perform year-round, whether it's the heat of summer or the chill of winter. Its durability and reliability make it a trusted companion in all seasons. When you see the Posh Smart Cut 700 branding, you know you're getting quality. It's a name synonymous with excellence in wood processing. This machine isn't just for personal use, it's also perfect for commercial operations. Its professional-grade capabilities make it a valuable asset for businesses looking to streamline their wood processing tasks. The end result is neatly stacked firewood, ready for use. The Smart Cut 700 takes the hard work out of firewood processing, leaving you with more time to enjoy the warmth and comfort of a well-stocked woodpile. It's no wonder this machine attracts attention at trade shows. Its innovative features and impressive performance make it a standout in the industry. Safety is also a top priority. The Smart Cut 700 comes equipped with advanced safety features to protect users during operation. You can work with confidence knowing that safety has been built into every aspect of the machine. In summary, the Posh Smart Cut 700 redefines efficiency in firewood processing. It's fast, precise, easy to use, and built to last. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, this machine is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Experience the future of firewood processing with the Posh Smart Cut 700. Efficiency redefined. Now let's talk about portability. Sometimes you need a wood splitter that can go where the work is, and that's where the Hockey PY2 comes in. This compact and powerful splitter is small enough to tow behind your truck, but don't let its size fool you, it packs a serious punch. The PY2 is powered by a robust gas engine, giving you the freedom to split wood anywhere, anytime. It features a fast cycle time and a 10-ton splitting force, making quick work of even the toughest knots. And with its adjustable splitting height, you can easily handle a wide range of log sizes. Whether you're splitting firewood at home or tackling a big job on a remote site, the Hockey PY2 is the perfect portable splitting solution for you. Now let's step it up a notch and delve into the world of cutting-edge sawmill technology. Today we're going to explore some of the most advanced and efficient sawmill machinery available on the market. At the forefront of this technology is the MBO RHT Z1200 P, a high-performance sawmill designed for precision cutting and maximum yield. This machine is engineered to meet the demands of modern wood processing, offering unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. The MBO RHT Z1200 P is truly a game-changer for anyone serious about wood processing. Its innovative design and advanced features make it a standout in the industry. One of the key features of the RHT Z1200 P is its robust steel frame. This sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, allowing the machine to operate smoothly even under the most demanding conditions. Equipped with a powerful motor, the RHT Z1200 P can handle even the largest logs with ease. This motor provides the necessary power to cut through tough wood quickly and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for high-volume operations. But what really sets this sawmill apart is its advanced automation features. Automation is the future of sawmilling, and the RHT Z1200 P is leading the way with its state-of-the-art technology. The sawmill's computer-controlled cutting head ensures precise cuts every time. This cutting head is designed to adjust automatically to the dimensions of the log, optimizing the cutting process and reducing waste. Additionally, the RHT Z1200 P features an automatic log handling system. This system streamlines the process of loading and positioning logs, further enhancing the efficiency of the sawmill. With these advanced features, the RHT Z1200 P can produce precise cuts with incredible speed and accuracy. This high-speed performance is essential for meeting the demands of modern wood processing operations. The efficiency of the RHT Z1200 P means less waste and higher yields. By maximizing the amount of usable wood from each log, this sawmill helps to increase profitability and reduce environmental impact. If you're looking for the ultimate in sawmill technology, the MBO RHT Z1200 P is in a league of its own. Its combination of power, precision, and automation makes it the top choice for serious wood processors. In conclusion, the MBO RHT Z1200 P is not just a sawmill, it's a revolution in wood processing technology. Its advanced features and high-performance capabilities make it an invaluable asset for any wood processing operation. Whether you're looking to increase efficiency, reduce waste, or simply produce the highest quality cuts, the RHT Z1200 P is the machine for you.